A tornado.
Tonight, a terrifying scene as a tornado slammed San Antonio.
Oh no.
Power flashes lighting up the sky, drivers frantic as it touches down near a packed highway.
Oh my God.
At the height of the morning commute. Part of the roof of this apartment complex peeled right off. Families' living rooms and bedrooms now exposed to the sky.
Then something flew over. I'm like, whoa, and the building started shaking everything.
The storm's torrential rain paralyzing a massive expanse of south and central Texas, triggering multiple flash flood emergencies. This truck spotted floating down a flooded road in Bernie.
There he goes.
NBC's San Antonio affiliate capturing this upsetting moment. A group of deer appear to be